welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these types of Instagram edits. I forgot what they're called, but I'm going to show you guys how to make these types of edits for Instagram because a lot of you guys wanted to know how I make them. And before you get started, I'm just going to say that you don't have to do all the steps because I also add this border and all these fancy things around it. You can just do your little design on the face and then just call it a day. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download the app ibis Paint, and it's free. Then you want to click on My Gallery, and you're going to click this. There's a plus button at the bottom right here. So you're going to click that. Then you're going to click at the top. It says Import Picture. Then you're going to click your photo. I'm just going to use this photo of Dixie as an example. Then you're going to click the X button. Then you're going to click this layer button. It says 1 on it. You're going to click this plus button over here, and after you click that, you're going to click this little arrow. So plus and then arrow. And then you're going to click Add, which is above lighter color. And you're done with that. Then you're going to click on this black boxes in the middle, and that's the color. We want the color white. And then you're going to click on this weird looking hand, I guess you could say. It has 4 fingers, but that's fine. And then you're going to turn force fade on, length of start to 100 and length of end to 100. And then you're going to click this brush symbol at the bottom. And you're going to click brush once again. Then I'm going to show you guys how to import the brushes. The QR codes will be on the screen, so you guys can go ahead and import them, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on these little 3 dots at the top. Then you're going to click Import Brush QR Code, not Export, Import. And there are a bunch of QR codes. So we have this glitter heart. We have this hair dark, which is the brush for the hair. Then we have glitter dots, and then squin pen and pointillism 3. So you're going to, sorry, those were very bad circles, but you're just going to import them. So import completed, blah, blah, blah. Then you can go ahead and use them. So you're going to click on basic. You're going to have to watch an ad. There will be a lock button over here, and you're going to click on it and then click use for free. And there's going to be an ad, and after you watch the ad, you have the brushes for free for 18 hours. So yeah, you're going to click on the basic, and then the brush we're going to use is, it's Pen Fade. And now we can start drawing. So you're going to make the size about 2.3, and you can go in the eyes and just draw little semicircles. So I'm just going to be doing that. That looks very bad. I'm sorry. Should have chose a better photo, but it's fine. So I'm just going to add a few accents, and I'll show you guys what I add. So usually on the brows, I just add a line right under, and on this side, a line right over. So there's one under and over. Then on the eyelids, I just draw lines. It's fine if it goes over the hair. I don't really care that much. It's just little lines. Try to go from the inner corner to the outer corner, so the inner corner is more glowy. You can go backwards, but I don't really like the way that looks. That looks kind of messy. I'm going to clean it up. So you can use the eraser to clean up anything. And I also draw little triangles, I guess you could say, in the inner corner. And one last thing is I draw these little eyeliner looking thingies. Oh, I can't really see that. Next, I go on the nose, so over here, an accent over here, and an accent over here. Next, I draw one on the jawline, so just a little like that. And this one is pretty round, just like that. Then I go right under the, right under the lip. And one right over the lip. There we go. We're basically complete with the pen fade brush. Then you're going to go in brushes again, custom, and you're going to click it's the freckles brush, I'm sorry. And you are just going to draw on the face. And what I like to do is I like to go on the cheeks, and I also like to go on the nose. Sorry, I'm just testing a brush out. But you use the freckles brush and you just go on the nose. You go like straight up and down, and then you go on the cheeks, and that is about it. So it should look like this. Then we go back onto the brushes and we click the hair dark. We do hair dark, and you just try to draw your little, I guess, hairs in the direction that real hair is going. So you see this is going from here to here. You're not going to go the opposite way because that just looks, in my opinion, I don't really like the way it looks. If you like the way it looks, you could do it. And I go a little bit dark, like hard on my hair, just because the filter I use makes the hair so much lighter, and I don't like the way it looks after that. So you don't have to do all the hair. Some people just do like the front, I guess, bangs. And some people just do like the bottom part of the hair. So you just do whatever suits you. I like to do all the hair. There we go. And after you're done, I like to clean up the edges because I don't like the way it like glows when it gets out of the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean those up. And there we go. That is about it for the hair brush part. And another thing I do is I go back onto the squin pen star brush thing, and oh, we need to make that smaller. And I just add little stars in certain areas, maybe the bangs if the person has bangs, but the bangs to make that lighter. But just like little streaks here and there of this glowy. So I just like it on the front part of the hair. And that is about it. Then you can save it to your camera roll. I just take a screenshot because I don't really know how to save it. So here was like the before and here's the after. Now I go on to the app Polar and I click my photo and I add my filter. See, kind of like lightens the hair, so that's why I go a little bit harder. You know, you can't really see the hair that well anymore. And that is about it for the Instagram tutorials. Let me guys know what video you guys want next. Bye!